Welcome back. We are here looking at the foreign exchange market, and this is going to be my daily forecast for Wednesday, April 28, 2021. If you'd like to support our channel, you're welcome to hit the subscribe button down here in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and that would be truly appreciated. So we'll start by looking at the Great British Pound and the US dollar, and then we'll look at the other four major currencies here. And as you can see, we have rallied 0.17%. Nothing really has happened today. We are still trading nearly at the same stage as we have been for the last 4 trading days. So just above the 50 moving average. And if you look at the technical indicators, basically the MACD is above 0 and above the signal line, indicating bullish momentum. The RSI is bullish, the CCI is flat, and the stochastic is bearish at this point. In the Bollinger Band here, we're just above the middle of the Bollinger Band, so there's a lot of room to the upside. If we were to break down from here, we'll most likely find support at the 50 moving average, the 100 moving average, but we have additional basically broken down below the 100 moving average, as you can see here. If we rally to the upside, we'll most likely find major resistance here at 0.440. So let's look at the US dollar Japanese yen, because there has been a massive rally for the last 2 trading days. If you look at technical indicators, for example, the MACD is basically rallying. It is turning around and it is about to cross the signal line. We're underneath 0, so we are basically still in bearish momentum. But due to the fact that we are most likely going to cross the signal line in the next day or two, this could mean that we could rally to the upside. We were significantly oversold and now we're above 30, so we are basically rallying as well here. So momentum is basically to the upside. The same goes for the CCI, is basically just at 0, but it is turning around. Stochastic is very bullish, but we are approaching the middle of the Bollinger Band, and that could mean that we'll run into resistance here. So if we manage to break above the 50 moving average, that could mean that we could go and test these previous highs at 109 and probably all the way up to 110. Breakdown from here, we'll probably find major support down at 107. So let's look at the euro US dollar. Also here we have rallied 0.17%. So this is on the edge of being overbought. So we're at 70 here in the RSI. It is technically flat at this current stage. And so you can also see in the Bollinger Band, fairly close to the top of the Bollinger Band. But we are technically trending sideways the last 3 trading days. We are a little bit of a pullback, but we are just hovering above the 100 moving average. CCI is also flat. The stochastic is in bullish territory, but it's also fairly flat at this current stage. If we manage to take out these previous highs here of 1.21, then we could see this rally even further. We could rally up towards 1.21, and if that breaks, then we could go to the very highs here of 123. Breakdowns from here will most likely find major support, as we can have a lot of moving averages just underneath, even the 50 moving average down here at 119. So let's look at the Aussie dollar US dollar, and we have pulled back a little bit. We're down 0.21, and it looks like at this point we're going to pull back towards the 50 moving average, which has offered major support in the past. So this is a fall of give or take 0.80%. If you can see, the MACD is basically turning flat at this current stage. It is still in bullish territory. The RSI is at an edge of being overbought, and the CCI is technically flat at this point. So stochastic is still bullish, but we did approach the very top of the Bollinger Band. And as you can see, the last time we did that, we basically fell towards the middle of the Bollinger Band. So we can also see it here, fell to the very bottom. Here we fell to the very bottom. So approaching the top of the Bollinger Band usually means that we'll pull back towards the middle or pull back to the very bottom. So if we were to do that, we could drop towards the 50 moving average, which is give or take right around where the middle of the Bollinger Band is. So let's look at that US dollar and the Canadian dollar. And as you can see, we continue to drop towards this lower trend line. So this has basically, it's just a continuation of what basically has happened in the past. So we have rallied up towards the 50 moving average and even the 100 moving average, and then basically broken down towards the very bottom. Rallied, broken down, and this has been a pattern that has been occurring for basically a year now. So at this point, it looks like we are going to break towards the bottom here, but we are approaching oversold conditions, so we could rally in between before going towards the very bottom. We're also significantly overstretched here in the Bollinger Band, and usually when that is the case, it rallies towards the middle and then pulls back. Technical indicators are all significantly bearish at this very stage. So, hope you found this helpful. You're welcome to support the channel by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and that will be fairly appreciated. Good luck and thank you very much.